Do you think that if we had food or snacks and a bear came after us and we threw them, he would go for the food? What's up, everybody? It's V-Man1313 in the Wiz, and Happy New Year's Eve.
Continue for 2 miles.
We are out just trying to do some of the things we enjoy doing. I promise I was not looking for dirt roads, and I already found 2. So, yeah, we are headed to a geocache right now. It is December 31st. And I'm so excited because I found a dirt road. Alright, and enjoy our day the way we like enjoying it. Try to do as many of the things we like to do. Our first stop today was Chick-fil-A, but today is Sunday. So it was closed. Whoa. Oh, this is awesome, bro. That's all private property, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can't fish in there. That'd be a beautiful place to take the kayaks and stuff. Sweet. Nice river here on the left. It's pretty there. This is what I wanted to do today. Oh, look, a little jumping place. See the rope?
Yeah.
Found 2 dirt roads. And we got a nice geocache. It was okay. You didn't get nothing for you? Nothing good in there? Oh, I'm sorry. We'll get more.
Continue straight onto Sea Creek Road.
Alright. So, we got a geocache already. This is our second thing of the day. We're going to see
Continue
a
on Sea
waterfall.
Creek Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Alright, just shut up now. We got you. So we're gonna go. Ooh, yay, we're the only ones here. So we're gonna go hike it up. I'm gonna wash the bottom off for a second. Back. Get that bottom cleaned off. Ooh, big rocky. Alright, let's go. We'll do a little walking and hiking. Is alright? Yeah. We are out here today. Not a very pretty day. It was sunny at our house. We're out here trying to do some of the things that we enjoy doing on this last day of 2017. We are at Sea Creek Falls today, or right now. Hiking to a waterfall. It's not a very long hike or walk, but we were trying to do some of the things that we enjoy doing, like hiking and checking out waterfalls and geocaching. So we're going to try to do a few of those things today. We've already done a little off-roading, found a couple new dirt roads, and we already picked up 1 geocache. Check it out. That's that blue thing's it. That's not moving. I don't think it is. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Cool, got pearls. Ooh, and a little snake. Ooh, pearls. So now we're looking for a waterfall. We've been here a couple times, but have never gone to the waterfall itself. It's cold. It's 32 degrees right around about, depending on what part of the mountain you're standing on. And I don't like it. The Wiz has been better at the cold weather than I am. She could tolerate it better. I don't like it. But I wanted to get out and do something today on this last day of 2017. So let's just go. Up we go. Up, up, up. Ooh, wow. How's that? Beautiful, huh? Hopefully it's a little too far up here. The name of it is Pooh Bear. Alright, she's found it. Woohoo! Alright. 420. Oh my god, Wartburg, Tennessee was where I was the other day.
They had 2 of those.
What's for the $1?
A deck of cards, hand armor, a rectal thermometer,
What?
film,
Cool.
flamingo.
She lied. She knew it was. Mercury-free rectal thermometer. I want the rectal thermometer. Rectal thermometer.